All right, family. How's everyone doing today? Glad everyone is joining us. This is your brother Supreme at Future Money Show. Before we get started, I want to check my microphone. Does everybody hear me okay? I'm good. All right. Type of YN if you hear me. Make sure everything is right. Testing out my headphone for this stream tonight, family. We got a powerful, powerful stream for you tonight. Please take copious note. Stay plugged in to the end and take a look at what we got going on and the information that I'm about to give out to us tonight. So, family, y'all know us in Forward Money Family. We are Gold Standard Bank partners, and we are also involved in gold and cryptocurrency, where we specialize in it. But um, we are not, what is it called? Financial advisors, right? We're not advising nobody to do nothing. We just want to give you something to look at, right? So tonight's topic tonight, we're going to go into Bitcoin. And you know, Bitcoin has hit an all-time high of over 33,000. Last week, we did the Future Money Show, and we talked about Bitcoin at an all-time high, and that all-time high was 26,000, right? But now it has even risen even higher than that. So in just the last 7 days, it's up like $7,000, like $1,000 per day. Now we're gonna go into it. We're gonna show you what some of the experts are saying about Bitcoin and how they see Bitcoin going even higher in 2021, right? And this is the first episode of 2021 of the Future Money Show, family. We've been doing these episodes for a little over a year now, and we are excited. We're happy for everybody to stay plugged in, everybody that's tuned in, and everybody that has subscribed to our YouTube channel. Please make sure if you haven't, go do so. But all the new subscribers, thank y'all. All the new Gold Standard team members inside of our network, we want to thank you, welcome you aboard too. But this is an exciting time. This is very, very, I'm going to try to stay calm, but this information here is very exciting, family. So please stay plugged in. Let me make sure, let me check the comments and see what everybody say. Okay, somebody on Facebook. Right, yes, yes, loud and clear. Okay, Jason said yes. Okay, so family, let's get to this information right now. Y'all know, like I said, we specialize in gold, we specialize in cryptocurrency. So we always take a look at the gold price because gold is up, but nobody's really talking about it because all of the focus is on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has taken the shine away from everything. So here's the World Gold Council. I have a subscription with them, so they send out information weekly or daily, whatnot, right? And this is just to show you the gold price right here is $1,898.58. That's when the market closed yesterday. That's where it closed at, and that's why you won't see that fluctuate. So that's trading a slightly below 1900, but this is a massive time, and this is a great opportunity for you to get your hands on the precious metal. I'm not talking about stocks and gold stocks. I'm not talking about ETF. I'm talking about getting your hands on the physical product because you see what it's talking about. Russia retail gold insights, Russia investment. We surveyed more than 2,000 Russian retail investors to gain deep insights into their attitudes and behavior. Now, why is that significant about Russia and why I chose to see that? Because family, Russia is pushing the world off the gold standard. Russia is aiding and is pushing the world to lead the gold standard. This is what Russia is doing. They are heading there. They have a bank, mutual bank called the BRICS: Brazil, Russia, uh, uh, China, in South Africa, family. So, family, these five nations are trying to dump the dollar and circumvent the dollar and use other currencies to get oil and dump their United States treasuries, right? Which is the United States debt. So they're dumping it. So just pay attention and stay close. Um, Tune in to what we got going on, and you want to listen to other news outlets like RT News, RT America News. They break down all this stuff right here. So gold is trading almost at 1900. So let's go take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum because these are the top two major cryptocurrencies world. So we're going to go to Coin Market Cap and look at the market of cryptocurrency. Look at the market of the blockchain technology, and then we will show everybody what's really going on, what's happening, because this is a major opportunity going on, and everybody just show take a look at it and see what you can do. So we see Bitcoin right now is the number one. It's over $32,729 per coin. Like I said, the crypto market stays is open 24/7. Crypto market don't never shut down. It's open 24/7. Unlike the stock market, right? Bitcoin has reached a market cap of over 100 billion. Now the crypto market cap is over 840 billion. Now y'all go back to our last week, the crypto market cap was like at 700 some billion. So now it didn't reach in 1 week. In 1 week, 7 days, it has surpassed over 800 billion. Over 800 billion, family. The market cap of cryptocurrency is over $850 billion. Remember, the experts saying that in the next 10 years, they are expecting the crypto market cap to get to 10 to 20 trillion dollars with a T. 10 to 20 trillion dollars. So you can see that last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up 11%. In the last 7 days, Bitcoin is up 21.5%. Ethereum is doing real good too. In the last 24 hours, Ethereum is up 5.6%. In the last 7 days, Ethereum is up 21.37%. Family, this is a major, major run. This is a major, major opportunity for you to get involved in it. However, not getting involved in it as an investor, but getting involved in it as a business owner, meaning when you can accept cryptocurrency as a means of payment, or you can join us and Gold Standard Partner, and you can get paid in Bitcoin, in Ethereum, right? We will get into that a little later. So just stay tuned. We're going to get into that a little later. And we just wanted to show the power of this, right? Because the significance of that, family, is that if I'm getting paid in Bitcoin, I'm gonna stream about that in the morning, so I'm not gonna touch on it too much, right? But if I'm getting paid in Bitcoin, I'm not taking none of the risk or the functionality or the volatility of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is very volatile. Yeah, it's up right now, but it dropped at the drop of a dime. All it takes is a lot of people to go sell off their coins, and the price of Bitcoin will deteriorate, right? Now, how it's going to be, where it's going to go, I don't know. So let's see what the experts say. We will come back to coin market cap. So I just want to show y'all a few articles on what the experts saying about Bitcoin and what their predictions is and how they see it going, right? So let's go to Coin Telegram, the future of money. Bitcoin price quickly climbs to 31,000, liquidate $100 million of shorts, meaning a lot of people that was getting in for the short run, they dumped it at 31,000 and they shot up to 33,000, so they lost some money, but it means they shorted it, right? Bitcoin plays shorters for fools as a surge to $30,950 liquidates a huge number of risky positions, right? Bitcoin past 30,000 and hitting houses near 31,000 has caused huge pain for traders betting on a bearish pullback. Meaning, family, if you got to understand when you deal in these markets, understand this. I'm not a trader. I'm not promoting trading, but that is what you do. That's what you do. But I just want to give y'all some terminology. So when you read these type of articles, you hear them talk about it on the news, you know what they talk about. When it's a bull run, that meaning people are buying and holding it. A lot of people are buying it and holding it. When it's a bear run, that means people are dumping and selling off it. So you had a lot of traders who was trying to be smart and like they experts in it, but they just mistaken and misjudged Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin hit 30,000, they shorted the trade. They went ahead and sold out, cashed out. But then Bitcoin in a couple of hours shot up to 33,000. So they pulled back too soon. So they them for a fool because they end up losing some money that they could have made. That's what those two terminologies mean. Bull market meaning people are buying the product, buying the coin, whatever you hear it in the stock market, you hear it in the crypto market. It means the same thing. When you hear it in the when you hear it in the crypto market, it's the same thing. You hear it in the stock market, same thing, right? Meaning a lot of people buying it in the bull run, a lot of people dumping it, selling it off in the bear run, right? So that's Coin Telegram, and that's what they saying about Bitcoin and what's going on in the market right there. Because family, I had left the house today at about what time I left? About 11 o'clock this morning, Eastern Standard Time. And before I left, family, Bitcoin was trading for over 31,000. I made a post went out the door. I screenshotted it off of my block photo, off of my phone, and then I made a post about it, right? Then I made a post about it. You follow me? And when I come home about 2, maybe close to 3 hours later, Bitcoin had hit 33,000. By me holding some Bitcoin and by me having a network getting paid in Bitcoin, and just as it go to show, soon as I came back, went into my back office and checked it, I had made some Bitcoin payouts and commissions while I was doing what I was doing. And then the price of it went up. Family, this is just an amazing time. I'm gonna try my best to stay calm through this information and stay and try to keep my cool, family. But it's so massive, it's so lucrative, and it's so luxurious, right? Because we are getting paid in the hottest thing on the market. But like I said, we will get into that a little later when we get into the Gold Standard Bank ecosystem. So as of right here, this is an email I got from Coin Market Cap. And family, this is what it say. Just listen at what it say right here. How long will the bull run last? With BTC surge showing no signs of slowing, the most important prediction is arguably how long the bull run will last. According to a Finder.com poll, 58% of experts believe that Bitcoin will continue to surge until the second half 2021. That's around the summertime. And 10% think we will see gains on Bitcoin until 2024. Healthy levels of institutional adoption have played a big factor here. What does it mean now, family? So you got some experts saying 58% saying that we expect Bitcoin to keep going up in value and a mass adoption and buying of Bitcoin to take place up until the second half of 2020. That's around the summertime, going into the fall, right? Then they saying 10% think that we will see gains all the way up into 2024. Man, family, that's deep. The 2024. So if that's the case, family, Bitcoin could be at 50,000 to 100,000 by 2024, right? Citibank, listen to Citibank. This is a bank. They think $318,000 is possible for Bitcoin. Even before records were broken in December, big prediction of six-figure prices being made, according to Citibank. A staggering price of $318,315.72 is possible by December 2021. I don't know. They missed that by a whale off, right? However, this is what they predicting. The fact this prediction came from a global investment bank of such statue is especially significant. Normally, such outlandish price forecasts are reserved for Bitcoin diehards. Bloomberg is more conservative. Bloomberg Intelligence Mike McGlure has been among those tracking coin over recent months and giving an idea of what lies ahead. He describes 50,000 as good as 2021 target resistance, which would equate to overall market cap about 1 trillion. McGlue's forecast also suggests that $10,000 now serves as critical support for Bitcoin, right? So we're just gonna leave it there. Wait, no, we can go to this last stock to flow model on track. Plan B says Bitcoin is following his stock to flow model like clockwork. He believes this crypto's market cap could exceed gold sometime between 2021 and 2024, followed by real estate between 2024 and 2027. He remains adamant that we will see $100,000 Bitcoin by December 2021, meaning that prices will more than triple over the next 12 months, family. And this is just what some of the experts saying, what some of the investment firms are saying. So, family, don't do listen to what the wealthy say. Get in line on what they're doing. They are hulling up Bitcoin, they are buying Bitcoin, and they are predicting big gains for Bitcoin in the future. Right? So just follow that, pay attention to that, and get an understanding of that, and then seeing how you can take part and benefit from it. Because I'm gonna be quite frank with everybody, family. If Bitcoin, if you just an average wage earner and for Bitcoin is trading right now for what? 33, $32,000, right? That means for you to get 10 Bitcoin, the average person to get 10 of them, just 10, you are looking at 300 over $300,000 just for 10 of them. And for you to double that, Bitcoin gotta go to 60,000. Can it go to 60,000? Yes. When will it go to 60,000? Who knows? That's just for you to double 300,000 that you put at risk, because Bitcoin can drop. It can get cut in half at any time. So just think about that, family. However, we finna show you an opportunity where we get paid in Bitcoin 24/7, 365 days a year in real time, meaning instantly, because crypto, this is the first blockchain technology company in the world. This is the first one. So with that being said, family, let's take a look at our Gold Standard Bank presentation overall video, and then we will be back with more insight about Gold Standard Bank and go more into this ecosystem that's doing something that's very transparent, very unprecedented, that the world ain't seen, but you got the opportunity to come in and benefit from it right now. So here we go.
Human fascination with gold is as old as recorded history. 1792, the United States Congress passed the Mint and Coinage Act that established a fixed price of gold in terms of US dollars. 15 August 1971, a number of attempts were made to salvage the gold standard. 2011, the foundation of the Gold Standard Banking AG, one of the most successful companies which specializes in the trade of minerals and precious metals worldwide. There's a global distribution network for industrial minerals and metals in more than 120 countries. 2020, GSB presents new cutting-edge products and services. Blockchain gold asset LBMA price connected, ready to be traded on a stable rate directly on our exchange. It is using the most advanced decentralized blockchain protocol, safe, cost-efficient, and fast. Digital G999 card, the safest way to secure your digital blockchain assets. Use our new digital card at the size of a credit card to pay the merchants. Gold point of sale. If you are a gold bullion dealer, this is the best way to increase your sales. Our community will trade digital gold to pick up it physically. You can directly exchange the tokens and transfer fiat into your bank account. GSB consists of GSB Gold, International Business Blockchain Platform, Universal Gold Merchant, and Gold Standard Digital Bank. We invite you to discover our products and services. You can pay using our decentralized blockchain solution, everything and everywhere. Register now. Find out more about GSB on our website, g999main.net.
All right, family. So y'all seen the video and y'all seen what is to come. We are just in like 33 days of Gold Standard Bank, our Gold Standard partners, the affiliate market side to Gold Standard being available to the masses of the people, right? It just opened December the 1st. We was in the soft launch up until December the 15th. Now we in a pre-launch, and this supposed to run is scheduled to run up until March the 15th, and then we will go on the launch. So as of right now, We only have a few products for the marketplace or for the people to acquire. And the number one that we have is our G999 coin. Now the G99 coin is already listed on Coin Geico has it listed. We are already listed on. We're going to hit BTC. We're listed on um, Coin Super. We're listed on BitForex, and we're also listed on our own exchange called um, GS Trade Exchange. Right? We're also listed on our own exchange called GS Trade. Now, the objective of Gold Standard Bank is to produce a crypto coin that has a lot of functionality. That's a utility coin. That's like gas to the whole ecosystem. And they want to protect our data. They want to keep everything decentralized, right? But they want to be open to the regulators and be in total compliance with all of the regulators. So our coin, the G999 coin, is the gas that operates the whole ecosystem. That's why we got voice and chat app coming, decentralized on the blockchain. We got blockchain email that's out right now. And y'all know that emails get hacked about what it is, 52 million times per week or something like that. When you want to know why you're getting so much spam in your email and all of that, that's because it's not private. It is centralized. It ain't protected. Your data is not protected on your laptop, your computer, whatever. But on the blockchain, information is protected, right? And that's the whole objective of the blockchain technology is to protect everybody's data and protect everybody's money and put the people at the center of the movement of their own funds. See, because when you in a bank, you're not in control of that. Even when you're dealing cash, you're not in control of that because of the police, just the regular beat cop police. If they pull you over, catch you, and you got a lot of cash on you, you suddenly run into some type of problem. They might confiscate it, and you might get it back, but you're gonna go through a whole lot trying to get it back, family. So, family, please get this understanding on what we're saying. So, Gold Standard Bank and with our blockchain mainnet, we are trying to give everybody the privacy that is needed. So, and we're also trying to have gold digital. Now that's coming in the near future this year sometime. Don't have a date on that, right? But the foundation and the bedrock of Gold Standard Bank is gold and it is blockchain technology. Make no mistake about it. Just because you don't hear us talking about gold no more, family, we are still in love with gold. I'm still saying to this day, gold is the best thing to get your hands on. However, gold is not typically designed to really make you rich. Cryptocurrency, the right project, is designed to make you rich. So we have a lot of stuff going on with Gold Standard Bank, and this is just one of our websites to just talk about the history of Gold Standard Bank and talk about what's going on. So you see Gold Standard Banking Corporation, GSB, Gold Standard Banking Corporation, AG, is the leading software, IT, and blockchain powerhouse in Germany. GSB is delivering sophisticated priceless software trade modules, platforms, and signal data streaming to the financial industry to enhance their services towards their very own clientele, fully white label and customer availability. Right now, you know why GSB, our mission. Now let's just talk about mission in GSB. Right from the starting process of exploitation and exploitation to the ending process of manufacturing and retail, the GSB software gives transparency, unlike any other software. A blockchain-based solution. GSB's goal was to create an ecosystem that connects all possible market participants within one platform, regardless if it's a small investor or gold trader. Needs to be a client of a financial institution with proper licenses from regulators and also a valid GSB software license, a refinery, a gold bullion dealer, or a Forex CFD trade brokerage institution, or a regulated asset manager, both the digital storage of gold and the physical delivery. Everything can be controlled and managed using GSB software. That's our mission, is to make everything digital, transparent, and make everything legal. Make everything pleasing to the regulator. Make everything pleasing to the merchant, pleasing to the buyer, pleasing to the owner, the investor, to the trader. All of these things, and to secure your assets. That's what Gold Standard is about. That's our mission. We are dedicated to gold. GSD won't give everyone access to the world of gold and precious metals. We believe the success of any financial transaction stands and falls with the functionality and the reliability of IT software solution, the data delivered, and the user comfort. So we have small ticket sizes, zero storage hassle, highest possible liquidity, absolute trading confidence. Convenience, absolute trading convenience, best software support, reliable real-time data, easily accessible and usable, an alternative to CFDs slash Forex. Soft roles with your needs. Dedicated software program manager. Our team. He is the CEO and founder, Mr. Joseph Heights. Man, we just had a major Dubai event December the 19th, which was the video that I opened up with. Now, Mr. Joseph Heights is a multi-billionaire. I never met him personally, but he's a multi-billionaire, and he's a genuine concern about people, the average person, being able to experience a freedom lifestyle and generate wealth, right? And he is so generous. Within the first 6 months, the first 90 days of Gold Standard Partners being launched, we have a major incentive. We have major incentive. Now, what's the major incentive, family? The major incentive is, let me pull it up to let you see what the major incentive is, right? The major incentive, family, is so massive. And everybody has an equal playing field. You can get involved in it right now. So let's go to the incentive and just show you some of the prizes, right? So it's $3.5 million put away in a Bitcoin wallet for these prizes right here. And these just some of them. Just gonna give you some of them. This is not all of them, but it will be 2,000 winners in the Gold Standard Partners Network. There's 43,000 people in Gold Standard Partners right now. Now this incentive is gonna last all the way to May the 31st. All the way to May the 31st, you can accumulate our legacy points and earn these incentives. So the top two prizes is a dream property and 2 VIP event tickets to our event that's going to take place in France, in June of 2021, this summer, supposedly, right? $1 million villa. So somebody in GS Partners is going to win $1 million villa built anywhere on the planet. That's for one person. Another prize is a $400,000 villa built anywhere on the planet. So 2 people from now until May the 31st will be awarded this, and they will get this by July the 31st, right? 2 months later, they will have a prize. So 2 people in Gold Standard is going to win that. Then you got 3 luxury cars worth $200,000. 3 people is going to win luxury cars. 3 people will win these cars worth $200,000 of your choice. Just like the villas. The villa is your choice where you want to build that. The money is already put in the wallet. You have nothing to worry about. Then you got 15 people will win $20,000 luxury watches. Whatever type of watch you want. That's 15 people, right? That's 15 people can win this. Then we have another 5 people will win $50,000 in gold, silver, diamonds, and Bitcoin. And all the prizes come with the 2 VIP events for the Global Success Summit, France, in June of this year. Now, I was on a private meeting earlier today with some new partners, right? And we was on Zoom, and I told family, now, as we go after this incentive, do y'all us going after these legacy points, we're gonna get paid a whole lot we're gonna earn a whole lot of Bitcoin and Ethereum in the process. A lot of people in Gold Standard Partners might even miss that. They might even thinking about that. Like me going hard for these prizes, I'm still gonna accumulate a whole lot of Bitcoin and a whole lot of Ethereum just for going after these prizes, right? So that's the opportunity that we have right now. So if you haven't registered, you haven't got your account set up, or you registered and you haven't got your account set up, get with the person that put you in, or get with the person that led you to the stream and tell them you want in. If it's us, you can go watch that video that's on our website at www.forwardmoney.info, or you can send us an email at forwardmoney7666@gmail.com with your full name and your phone number and the best time to contact you when you will available to be interviewed to see if Gold Standard Partners is a fit for you, right? And we on a 90-day run right now. We like on day 3, and we not playing with this information, right? But let's go talk about it and go take a look at the gas to this ecosystem as we wrap up this amazing episode that we have for everybody tonight. So let's go to Coin Geico. Coin Geico is just like Coin Market Cap. They list a lot of crypto coins here. So Coin Geico has 6,995 crypto coins listed here, right? It's showing the market cap of all the cryptocurrencies in the world, and the market cap of cryptocurrencies is up 9%. So family, they show that Bitcoin is dominating at 71.2%. This is very critical here. This is some good information here for everybody to take a look at. So here's Coin Geico, and we seeing Bitcoin, same price, right up under 33,000. Ethereum is right up under $800, right? So Ethereum, I mean, is right up under $800. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up 23%, 3.4%. Ethereum up 22%, right? But they do have our coin listed here, the G99. And why I want to talk to y'all about the G99 for just 1 second. I want to talk to us about the G99 for just 1 second, right? Now the G99 is trading for less than a penny on that's the average of the exchanges that it's on. This is the total average. This is the total average, right? Now this is down. It had went up a little, but this coin has only been out for, well, how long? 2 weeks? A little over 2 weeks, right? December the 15th, this coin was. However, the G999 is the gas to the ecosystem of everything that Gold Standard Bank does. Listen to what I'm saying. Everything that Gold Standard Bank does is the gas. So the more people use our technology, the more people come in, become partners into this ecosystem, the more and more you're going to see this coin rise. Now, in Gold Standard Partners, we have something called a Brand Advantage membership, and you get all type of advantages with that membership. It's going to cost you around $150 in Bitcoin or Ethereum, and you get a whole lot with it. And not only that, you do get some G999 coins with it. That's a limited offer right now. We don't know when that's going to be taken away. So if you get your brand membership, you can. But we are going to have blockchain accounts. Nobody has blockchain accounts, family. That means we're going to be able to sit some G99 coins on the blockchain in an account and earn family and earn more G999. So it don't really matter what the price is, you're going to be earning. It has some value, and this coin cannot go to zero. Why? Because it has too much functionality. The whole ecosystem will have to go for this coin to go down because of the value of it. So I just want to talk to us about this for a minute, right? Before we end this stream. And why do I want to do that? Because, family, I want to talk about it for a minute because when Bitcoin first came out, Ethereum first came out, Litecoin, Ripple, these coins, then they had value somewhat like this. They had value somewhere like this, right? Somewhere like it is. Oh, we on another exchange, BitX Live. Bit Live. So we on BitForex, Coin Super, BitX Live. We're going to hit BTC, which is a major crypto exchange. We're also on our own exchange. So, family, just to talk to y'all about this, this is what we could get an understanding from, and we can see the value on. Family, if you're a millionaire, Bitcoin is not your lick. Bitcoin is not your lick. That train has left the building. Now, if you can stop on $1 million and you can put it into Bitcoin, then you might see some real profit. But that's gonna be when Bitcoin, if you get it at 1,000, for you to see real profit, Bitcoin got to go to what? 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. It can, but it's no guarantee that it's gonna do that. And remember that. There's no guarantee that it's gonna do that because nothing is backing up Bitcoin. Just listen to what we're saying. The reason why so many people are using it is because of decentralization of it and because of the lit supply of Bitcoins in circulation. There's only 18 and a half in some coins. It will never be more than 21 million Bitcoins ever. But it really doesn't have any real significant value. It ain't like it's gold or diamonds or silver or land bagging it up. It's not, right? So I just wanted to clear that up, right? But it's the hardest thing going right now. So get in where you fit in. However, when you see coin with this functionality tied to a blockchain that got masternode, that's a point of stake. Bitcoin is a proof of work blockchain, but the G999 mainnet blockchain is a proof of stake, meaning the ones who stake their coins and the ones who have masternodes are the ones who uphold the system. And it ain't taking a lot of energy. Bitcoin uses a lot of energy. So for all we know, Bitcoin got the possibility to not be around in the next 10 years because it's burning up a lot of energy out of the earth, right? Out of the solar system, right? So just get that understanding. But at one point in time, Bitcoin was trading for like 10 cents, 25 cents, $1. It was trading that low, family. So you got the opportunity to go and get a coin that utilizes, or that is the gas, or that is utility token to this whole ecosystem for a penny. For a penny, $100 right now can get you 49,909 of these coins. So if you take $100, and this $100, you put it into the G99, and it got the potential to bring you back whatever it could bring you back. If you get the coin at the coin go to 10 cents, that's profit. Just 10 cents. We ain't got to say outrageous numbers, but I can go down the list and show you cryptocurrencies that it's a lot of them that didn't reach $1, $1, right? And it has a deflationary mechanism attached to our blockchain, meaning as transactions are being made, coins are being burned and being taken out of circulation. It's deflationary. However, coins are being minted too, but it's a yin and a yang. So it's really going to always be a stable supply of these coins. Now, XRP then reached a couple of dollars with 99 billion coins. I think with our ecosystem, our could never go past 16 billion, if I'm not mistaken, right? I could be wrong, right? I could be off a little bit. Excuse my daughter, she acting up. She's in love with her mother, right? So y'all understand what we're saying. Now, if XPR with 99 billion coins in circulation reached a couple of dollars, and it's trading for 22 cents right now with a whole big scandal going on with XPR. That's Ripple, right? You got the opportunity to get involved in something like this, family. You got the opportunity to get involved in something like this and get this coin that's the gas to this whole significant ecosystem that the world has not seen for 1 penny. I'm not trying to sell you this coin. It's against it. It don't benefit me if you or not. I just want to tell you this information. So don't think I'm going to sell you anything. This don't have to be sold. You understand that cryptocurrency is the wave of the future. It's the future of money. So the way we're going to be banking and doing transactions with this and product is going to be blockchain-based technology. You can bet that. Just like you seen the credit cards take off, debit cards, credit card processors, all these payment systems. Now you got all these payment systems: Cash App, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Facebook Pay. You got all the pays. It's digital. So the world going digital and the world going gold, right? You have the opportunity right now to take full advantage of this opportunity and just sit back and see what coins do. However, you can become a partner, start marketing the coin, and telling your friends and family members about the coin. And when they go and get the coins for themselves, you're going to get paid Bitcoin and Ethereum instantly and micro payments, right? Family, Gold Standard Bank is amazing. I done made a couple grand in Gold Standard Bank in the first 30 days. That's a fact. That's not hype. That's not hype. Family, this is the opportunity that we're sharing with you right now. This is the Gold Standard Bank ecosystem. So if you want to know more about it, become a partner, and I can reveal more to you about this ecosystem. We can show you the ins and outs of it. We can help you build. We're going to help you build your team, show you everything that you need to show. As of right now, $150 membership fee. But that comes with a whole lot of stuff in that package. That's just for you to benefit from the full ecosystem. And it's a yearly subscription. So please get with us. Please comment here. I'll get with whoever led you to this stream. Tell them you want more information, family. I'm gonna do a stream in the morning. Tune in, because family, we're turning it up in 2021. If y'all thought I was off the chain before, or you thought I was really serious about this before, passionate about it, you ain't seen nothing yet. 2021 is the year. We went through a lot of phases last year. We went through a lot of hardship, and we still going through it, right? We took a hit, but we're back, and we're stronger than ever, family, and we're growing faster than ever, because the world is open now. The dollar is on its deathbed. America is on its deathbed. So you better be looking out for the new world. You better be looking out for the future of money. That's what this show is about, to explain and to show our people these facts about what's really happening in the marketplace and what's really going on up in these governments, all this tension going on through these countries. It got to do with what currency is going to rule the planet. The dollar has been ruling the planet since 1944. It's been the #1 reserve currency since 1944, but ain't nothing backing it. It's just a piece of paper. And it tells you that if you look and read it. What $100, that's another thing. Now you moving this $100 into a crypto coin that got the potential, for the disclaimers, it got the potential, not a guarantee, to bring back more cash as long as cash is still existing. However, this $100, you leave this in paper, it'll never bring you back nothing more than $100. Matter of fact, it won't even bring you back $100. As long as you hold it, and the more and more they print the dollar, Faster and faster, the purchasing power of your $100 goes down, right? $100 don't even get you $100 worth of stuff. It gets you about $2 worth of stuff. Do what happened in 1913, 1933, and then 1971 was the nail in the coffin, the death of $1. So, with that being said, family, we want to thank everyone tuning in, comment on here if you want more information about this, and just comment on here if you just like the stream. If you're enjoying the show, we're going to advance the show. We're going to bring it more up to speed, and we're going to bring more speakers on. Start in 21. We're going to bring more speakers on. We're going to have more interviews that we're having. We got away from them a minute because there was a lot of shifting going on, but we're going to start that back soon. But we're going to be bringing some heavy hitters, some real entrepreneurs, some real wealth builders here to explain about the future money and everything that we are doing inside of Gold Standard and inside of Forward Money, right? So with that being said, family, we want to thank everybody for joining. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. Follow us on Instagram, Forward Money Network. Follow us on Twitter, Forward Money. You can also follow us on Facebook, Forward Money Network. With that being said, family, we will see y'all on the next stream. We out.